Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide that you read a message on X, Twitter, using your PC. Follow these steps to maintain your privacy while using Twitter. To begin, open x.com on your PC. Navigate to the website to access your Twitter account and proceed with hiding your read receipts. From the left side of the screen, locate and click on the More icon. This will reveal additional options for you to customize your Twitter settings. Next, click on Privacy and Safety from the menu. This section allows you to control various privacy settings on your Twitter account. Under the Privacy and Safety settings, find the option labeled Show Read Receipts. Click on the box next to it to turn this feature off. By doing so, you can hide that you have read a message on Twitter. By following these steps, you can effectively maintain your privacy and control over your read receipts on Twitter using your PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy using Twitter while keeping your read receipts private and maintaining control over your online interactions. Happy tweeting!